Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your data is tidy, addresses or latitude/longitude in one column. Once done, choose whether you want a web map URL or a file path link because the URL format differs. Next, click the cell where you want the clickable location link to live. You'll use formulas there. Make sure the chosen cell matches the corresponding row of your address. This early choice simplifies later steps and avoids broken links when you apply the formula across rows. Now create the actual link using the hyperlink function. For example, use equals hyperlink, https://www.google.com/map/search/ and encoder A2, open map. This constructs a web search URL from the cell text and gives users a readable label. If you have lat long use equals hyperlink, https://www.google.com/map/search/ API equals 1 and query equals, and B. Finish by testing multiple links. Click to confirm the map opens at the intended spot. If links break, check for extra spaces, wrap address cells with trim, or use encoder to handle special characters. Make sure any static parts of the formula use $ for absolute references before copying. If a link still fails, paste the constructed URL into a browser to inspect errors. That reveals missing commas, wrong parameters, or formatting issues, so you can correct the formula and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.